guys, welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. This is Rashmi and today we are making a 5-minute easy peasy coconut chutney. It's a simple and common dip from South India and it goes with almost everything. You could serve it with idlis, dosas or any kind of flatbreads. So without further ado, let's get started. The star dish in this dip is of course the coconut. Then we need some roasted gram, fresh coriander leaves, some spicy green chilies, tamarind or fresh lemon juice and some salt. For the tempering you need some coconut oil, some asafoetida or the hing, some red chilies, mustard seeds, urad dal or urad lentils, some curry leaves, and that's it. In case you don't have fresh coconut, you could always use desiccated coconut. So what you need to do is just before you make the dip, soak the desiccated coconut in a couple of teaspoons of hot water so that it nicely rehydrates and you could just use it. We start by adding the fresh coconut into the blender. Into the blender goes the fried gram, some fresh coriander, 1 or 2 chilies depending on the amount of spice that you like. I have some salt. And today I'm going to use dried tamarind. So if you don't have access to this, you could always add fresh lemon juice or tamarind powder or anything tart that you have. So I'm going to blend this all now. I'm going to open this and add a bit of water. Some more water. I add water bit by bit so that it doesn't become too runny. And yeah, our chutney is done. So now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. I'm going to add some tempering into it to add that extra flavor into our chutney. So we'll start by heating a small wok or a pan. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil and let it melt. So once the coconut oil has melted, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Once they start to crackle, I'm going to add some urad dal, some dried red chilies. So once you start the mustard crackling, I'm going to add some asafoetida or hing into it. And of course curry leaves. Cut it. The aroma, I love that. The coconut oil. So once these lentils have browned, I'm going to take it off the heat. You can hear that crackle. I'm going to add it. We give it all a good mix and your chutney is ready. So you could always serve it with some idlis, dosas, flatbreads or anything that you like. I can already smell the aroma of the coconut and the hing that was used in the tadka. If you've enjoyed this recipe, do like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. Bye.